Hello students, you know that in previous video I discussed with you all motion in straight line numericals, one dimension numerical. This time I will discuss with you all same numerical relative velocity, but it will be in two dimension. It will be in two dimension. Okay, so we can say relative velocity. Theoretical I have discussed already. Relative velocity. Numericals I will discuss here. Okay. First of all, I am telling what is the meaning of relative velocity. We can say we have a object. Second, that is B. Okay, find out relative velocity A with respect to B. What will you do? Velocity of A with respect to B. So simply we can say VA minus VB. Means if we are going to find out velocity of A with respect to B, means A is moving, B is observer. Or B can be in motion or at rest. It depends on the observer. Okay, second thing we can say BA. So we can say B with respect to A means velocity of B minus velocity of A. Velocity of A. Okay or not okay, student? Before it I am explaining some related things like that. We have a axis form. Okay, so we can say this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. So we can denote here x-axis direction by I cap. So in opposite it will be what? Minus I cap. In positive direction it will be plus j cap. Okay, or downside it will be minus j cap. If anything will come downside, so we will take minus j. Moving upside we'll take plus j along vertical axis. And along horizontal axis, if it is moving in this direction, means east direction, so we can say it will be plus I. In opposite direction it will be minus I. Clear? So in these numerical we will find out two things only. Number one, velocity of rain with respect to man we have to find out. Second, we have to find out direction. Direction means angle. Means on which angle man will keep his umbrella for saving himself from the rain. Okay, so now let us start our first question, first numerical. So we can say rain is falling downside as same like it. So rain velocity is what? 40 kilometer per hour. Clear? A man is standing under the rain as same like it. He has a one umbrella. He don't know that in which direction he has to keep the umbrella. So by solving all this numerical, we will find out the angle where he has to keep the umbrella. Okay, so we can say rain is coming with 40 km per hour, but man velocity how much? 0. Means he is at rest position. He is at rest. Okay or not okay, student? So simple one thing I am telling. So we have to find out the solution of this question. So we have to find out velocity of rain. Velocity of rain with respect to ground, and velocity of man with respect to ground. This is the basic thing. This is the basic thing. Okay or not okay? But we know velocity of rain how much? Velocity of rain how much? 40. So connect this one with axis. So it's coming downside direction. So we can say it is minus j. So we can say it is minus j. Okay or not okay? Or we can say velocity of ground equal to 0. So velocity of rain with respect to ground means what? Velocity of rain minus velocity of ground. So it is equal to what? Minus 40j, or this is equal to 0. So we can write direct minus 40j. Okay or not okay? Same thing, velocity of man with respect to ground how much? Velocity of man minus velocity of ground. Up ground is at rest position. Okay, ground is not moving, so we can say this is equal to 0. Man also at rest position, so we can say it is also 0. So we will get velocity of man with respect to ground how much it equal to? 0. 0 it will be. We will not write here I, j, anything else, because he is at rest position. Okay or not okay? Then find out. So we have to find out what? Velocity of rain with respect to man. So we can say velocity of rain with respect to ground minus velocity of man with respect to ground. So velocity of rain with respect to man how much it will be? 40j, or it is equal to 0. Some complex numerical we will solve it later. So we can say that is what? Minus 40j. Okay or not okay? Now put this one in the graph. Now how will you find out the solution of it? Listen student. So we will get here VRM means velocity of rain with respect to man, that is what? Minus 40j. Okay or not okay? Say yes or no? Say yes or no? Okay. So we can say that is what? This is what? X-axis means I cap, j cap. So he gave there what? Minus, we found here minus 40j. So we will get what? Downside. This will be minus j. So we will get here what? Minus 40j. Say yes or no. So this will be what? velocity of man rain with respect to man. What? Minus j, minus 40j. Say yes or no. Means he will open his camera, his umbrella, means the opposite side of its relative velocity with respect to man, rain. So he will open his umbrella upside, as same like it. Okay or not? Okay, student. So as same like it, you will solve all question. Upside it he will open. Okay or not? Okay, student. Yes. Next question. Okay, second question. Second type. In this case, rain is falling with a velocity of 40 km per hour. Okay. So we can say man is standing here. He observed that rain is starting. Okay. He started to run in this direction with the velocity of 30 km per hour. Okay or not? Okay. Same thing, we have to find out the velocity of rain with respect to man. So we can say velocity of rain with respect to ground minus velocity of man with respect to ground. Okay or not? Okay. Then find out velocity of rain with respect to ground. How much it will be? Velocity of rain minus velocity of ground. Same thing you will follow in each case. So velocity of rain how much? 40 downside. So we can say it will be minus 40j. Connected with axis na? Yeah, yes, as same like it. So rain is coming downside. So in this side we will be what? We will get what? Minus j. Or man is moving in this direction. In this direction. So we can say man is moving in this direction. This will be how much? 30 km per hour. So we can say he is moving in the I direction. Okay. So we can say, so here velocity of ground how much? 0. So we can say velocity of rain with respect to ground is equal to minus 40j. Okay or not? Okay. Then find out velocity of man with respect to ground. So velocity of man minus velocity of ground, it is equal to 0. You know that. But man is moving in this direction or not? So we can say it is equal to what? 30i. But it will be positive because he is moving in the positive x-axis direction. Okay. So we got here that what? Velocity. So find out velocity of rain with respect to man. Velocity of rain with respect to man means velocity of rain with respect to ground minus velocity of man with respect to ground. Okay. What is this? How much value you will find out here? So we can say that is what? Velocity of rain, that is minus 40j minus this formula negative will come here. Velocity of man with respect to ground, that is equal to how much? Minus 30i. We'll get here how much? 30i na? Yes. Say yes or no. Now connect this one with the axis only. As same like it you will get. So we can say this is your vertical axis, horizontal axis. Okay. So we can say when man will move in this direction, so means देखो listen, this is minus 30i. So this plus I plus j minus I minus j minus I means plus I minus I plus j minus j. Okay. So we can say this minus 40j na, 40j. So we will get this point here, 40 minus 40. Okay. So 30i we will get here, 30i. So we will find out here resultant of both what? In this direction. So resultant will be what? This is the 40. 40 is what? J. Clear? Or this is what? 30 or connected both. So we will get what? VRM means velocity of rain with respect to man. In opposite direction you will open the umbrella. As same like it. So we can say the rain is coming vertically downside na. So we can say angle formed here how much? Theta. So this angle how much will be? Theta. Clear? First of all we will find out VRM. VRM means resultant. So what will we do? The basic thing we will do here. So we will shift this vector downside here. Okay na? So we can say this 30i. So we will get this is 30i. Okay or not? Okay. Find out VRM. VRM means magnitude of it. So we can say how much we will find out VRM magnitude. That is how much? 40 square plus 30 square. Negative sign removed due to the square function. Okay, so we will get how much here? Tell me student. 1600 plus 900 means we will get how much? 2500. So we will get how much? 50 kilometer per hour. Don't forget here unit system. So we can say VRM. This will move with the velocity of how much? 50 kilometer per hour. Means rain will hit the person. So we can say relative velocity of rain with respect to man. That is what? 50 kilometer per hour. Okay. Then find out direction. Direction means what? Tangent theta. Tangent theta means this is the triangle. Front side will be perpendicular. This is what? Base. So we can say that is what? Perpendicular upon base. No need to mention here negative sign. Or if you will take negative, then no problem. So simply see here, perpendicular is what? Perpendicular is what? Theta front angle, front side will be perpendicular. So we can say this is equal to 40. And opposite side will be how much? 40. This is 30, 40. Cancel out. So we can say how much? Tangent theta is equal to 3 by 4. Then theta is equal to 37 degree. So you can see this tangent value, tangent theta 3 by 4 is equal to what? Theta is equal to 37 degree. So he has to keep his umbrella at 37 degree angle. Say yes or no? Okay, you can see here na, man is moving with 30 km per hour, rain falling as same like it. So he has to keep his umbrella in this direction when he will move. Automatically when person will start na, so rain direction automatically change. Clear? So rain will, he seems like that rain will fall as same like it on his umbrella. For saving himself from the rain, so he has to keep his umbrella at how much angle? 37 degree. Okay or not okay, student? This is a simple case. Third question, students. So in this case, rain will not fall vertically downside. It will fall at some angle as same like it. Rain is falling as same like it. Okay or not okay? So we can say rain is making angle with the horizontal axis, that is how much? 37 degree. So we can say rain is falling at 37 degree angle. Clear? So we can say the velocity of rain is how much? 50 km per hour. So a person is standing under it, means outside from the house. So we can say man is running with a velocity of 40 km per hour. Okay, find out the relative velocity of rain with respect to man, and he has to keep on which angle for saving himself from the rain, means direction of umbrella we have to find out. Okay, then how he will find out? First of all, listen, we will solve this one. So one thing I am telling, tangent 37 degree is equal to 3 by 4. Don't forget this one. Tangent 37 degree is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, now listen one thing. So we know here that 50 km per hour, but see the direction of rain. This is not vertical downside. This is a little bit in opposite side na, means along, we can say it is connected little bit with horizontal axis and moved away from the little bit away from the vertical axis. So first of all we have to solve this one. Clear? If listen one thing, if we have anything as same like it, okay na, so it is present in between it, not on x axis, not on y axis. So we have to solve this equation by normal method, that is the component method, because there is not a fixed solution of it. We can say this is one kind of resultant. For making it in vector form, so we can say we have to connect this vector with x-axis and y-axis. When you will connect this one with x-axis, so we can say this angle you will take cos theta, upside will be what? Sin theta. Then you will be able to solve it. Say yes or no? Yes, you can. Then see here. So rain is falling as same like it. See here, student. So solve it first. We can say this is our rain. Okay, so angle how much there? 37 degree. So you have to connect this one with what? X-axis and y-axis. So this component will be how much? We can say this component will be how much? Tell me na, student. This will be how much? The velocity of rain is what? 50 km per hour. So this component will be what? 50, or that is what? Cos na, x-axis, cos 37 degree. Okay, or this component will be what? 50 sine 37 degree. Okay or not okay? He is saying here that tangent 37 is equal to what? 3 by 4. Then find out. This is what? 37, or tangent 37 is equal to what? Perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular 3, base 4. So this is perpendicular how much? 3 or base 4. So by Pythagoras Promet theorem this will be what? 5. Say yes or no? Then find out this value. Find out this value, bachcho. Find out this value na. Then this value will be what? So we can say velocity of rain, VR. The component, we have to convert this one in component form na. We have to connect this one in x-axis and y-axis for finding the direction. Okay, then listen here. Find out this value, 50 cos 37 degree. So connect this one with this formula. Okay or not okay? So this is because cos means what? Second function. Second means base upon hypotenuse. Base is what? How much? Tell me, student. Base is how much? 4. Hypotenuse means what? 5. Cancel out. So we will get how much? 40. In the direction of what? I. Means in this direction, you can take this one na. Clear na? So in this direction we will get I. this is minus I, downside minus j, upside plus j. Okay or not? Okay, student. Then take this one as same like it. In second case, this will be what? 50 sine 37. Sine means what? First perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is what? Perpendicular 3, hypotenuse 5. So we can say this is equal to 3 upon 5. So we'll get how much? 10. So we can say this will be how much? 30 downside or negative j. So we can say VR is equal to what? VR with respect to ground. So will be what? That is what? 40I minus 30j. So this is the component form. This is the main velocity of rain with respect to ground. Okay, talk about man. Man is moving along what? X-axis. So we can say man with respect to ground, how much? He will be how much? 40I. Say yes or no. Then find out velocity of rain with respect to man. How much we will get? Velocity of rain with respect to ground minus velocity of rain with respect to what? Velocity of man with respect to ground. So we can say, you can put both value. 40I minus 30j minus 40I. So you can cancel out this one. We will get how much? 30j. Then draw it on the graph. Okay or not? Okay. So we can say xy na. So we can say this will be VRM will be what? A downside. This will be what? Minus 30j here. So in the opposite side means upside. He has opened his umbrella. Okay or not? Okay. For saving himself from the rain. Okay or not? Okay. So this is a simple example for understanding. Say yes or no. Say yes or no. Next. Or velocity of rain you found here, that minus 30j. Magnitude also you can find out, no problem. 30 will come. Listen one thing. Next numerical here we'll discuss. This is your last and base numerical. Fourth question. Listen one thing. A girl is running, moving at inclined plane. So we can say rain is falling as same like it. Rain is falling as same like it. We don't know the fixed direction of rain. It can come in any direction. Okay or not? Okay, student? Okay or not? Okay. Say yes or no. Clear? So we can say rain velocity how much will be? How much will be? 50 kilometer per hour. Or angle is there? 53 degree. So first I am telling you here, tangent 53 degree is equal to what? This is equal to 4 by 3. Okay. Here is one girl. She is moving on inclined plane with a velocity of 100 kilometer per hour. Okay or not? Okay. So she is making angle with, that is horizontal axis, that is 37 degree. Say yes or no. So we have to solve both question. Yeah, we can say both kind in the component form. Then solve this one. First of all, solve this one. Okay. Then we can say this is equal to what? The velocity of a man with respect to ground. Man means girl. Man you can say, okay, no problem, this is a man. Velocity of man with respect to ground we have to find out. Then how will you find out? We don't know any solution of it. So convert in the component form for finding the direction. So this will be what? 100 cos theta means how much? 37 degree. This is equal to what? 100 sine 37 degree. Say yes or no. Then same, I told you previous question, tangent 37 is equal to what? 3 by 4. Okay or not? Okay. Okay or not? Okay. So this simple one. Then find out this component. Find out this component now. 100. So convert this one in the form of this triangle. This angle is 37 degree. So we can say how much we'll get. This is 3, 4. This will be 5. So cos 37. So we can say base upon hypotenuse. Base is what? 4 upon 5. So we'll get how much? 80I. In this direction, x-axis direction. So we can say 80I. Okay. Second one. Solve this one. So we'll get how much? 100 sine means 3 by 5. So we'll get how much, bacche? So we can say this 60. Upside means what? J. So velocity of man with respect to ground, how much we'll find out? 80I plus 60J. Say yes or no. Talk about rain. We will talk about rain. Okay. Then talk about the rain, which since we will get here. Listen student. The same thing we will take in the case of rain. Listen here. Rain is falling as same like it. Convert in the component form. This angle will be how much? 53 degree. Yes. So we can say this is equal to, given 50 na, 50 kilometer per hour. So this will be what? 50 cos 53 degree, or this will be what? 50 sine 53 degree. So convert in the form of triangle. So I told you here tangent 53 degree 4 by 3 means perpendicular upon base. This, if this is 53, so perpendicular upon base, so this is also 5. Then find out first one. This is equal to 50 is equal to how much? 50 cos 53. Cos means what? Base upon hypotenuse. Base is equal to what? Base 3 upon hypotenuse. This is equal to 5. 5 will get 10. So we can say 30. So in this side, so we can say this will be negative I. Say yes or no? Say yes or no? Any doubt now? Clear. Come on the next point. This one. 50 sine 53 degree. So we can say 50 into, this is what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is what? 4 upon hypotenuse is how much? 5. We will get how much? 10. So this will be what? 40. Downside. Downside is coming now. So we can say minus 40j. So we can say what? Velocity of rain with respect to ground. How much will get there? Minus 30i minus 40j. Okay or not okay? Say yes or no. Any doubt now? Okay. Solve it. So we have to find out what? Velocity of rain with respect to ground. So we can now velocity of rain with respect to man. The velocity of rain with respect to ground minus velocity of man with respect to ground. So velocity of rain with respect to ground, how much will be there? Minus 30i minus 40j. Minus 30i minus 40j. Minus man with respect to that is how much? 80i plus 60j. So we will get how much? 30i minus 40j. This is two dimensional numerical, bachche. I minus 60j. So we can say 30, 80 will get how much? Minus 110i. 40, 60 will get how much? 100j. Say yes or no. Now solve it for component form. So for getting resultant. So 110i. So downside we will get here what? 110. Negative no need to show. If we are drawing it downside, so automatically negative sign is there. So now this is 110 I 110 I we will get in this side. So this is equal to 100j. So here will be resultant, means relative velocity, that is what? VRM. Clear? So in opposite direction he has opened his umbrella at theta angle. Okay or not okay? So you can say find out tangent theta. So shift this angle downside. SM like it. Okay or not okay? This will be what? 110. So tangent theta is equal to what? Perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is equal to how much? This will be how much? Tell me student now. Perpendicular how much? If this angle is theta, so this is perpendicular 110, or this is base. So we will get 11 by 10. So we can say theta is equal to tangent inverse 11 by 10. So we can say this angle is equal to tangent inverse 11 by 10. Okay, then VRM means magnitude. So under root, so we can say what? 110 square plus 100 0. So solve it. So we will find out here easily VRM value. So these are the numerical of two-dimension relative velocity. If you are getting any doubt, so you can ask me personally, or you can write in comment box. There I will discuss everything related to it. Okay students.